Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Sunday, August 23rd. You can see temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s across the area. And we expect a decent morning out there with southerly winds. I think it's going to warm us well into the 70s, close to 80 degrees. We're exactly normal for the month of August, but we're going to lose ground on that here over the next 3 to 4 days before we warm up towards the end of this upcoming week. But until then, we got lots of cool weather coming up with instability showers as surface heating. What little bit of that will occur when the sun comes out will create instability, and we'll have some showers pop up across the area, cool things down, stabilize it, and then we'll get some clear skies, and we'll repeat this process over and over. But again, we don't expect a lot of precipitation, mainly around about a tenth to as much as a third of an inch across most of the area here over the next 3 days. You can see a webcam view of the sun coming up across Muskegon. I'll be out there the next several days, hopefully to do some canoeing, visit the submarine tour, go to Michigan Adventure, and hopefully hit the beaches between the raindrops. And there could be a few of those. You can see on the regional look right now, you can see temperatures mainly in the 50s and 60s. Again, a cold front you can see in back across central Wisconsin, touching on showers and thunder showers. And again, those will be heading into the state here over the next several hours as we get closer towards noon. If we look at the satellite view, you can clearly see where the upper low is spinning away across northern Minnesota into coming into southern Ontario. And that'll very slowly, as it's becoming occluded, very slowly move out towards the north of Lake Superior over the next few days. And again, another low pressure system in Texas helping to kick off pretty good area of showers and thunderstorms there. That could be robbing some of the energy here. But we expect about a 3, 4, 5-hour window where we could see some showers and thunderstorms beginning in the western part of the state around noon and in the eastern part of the state by mid-afternoon. And again, by evening, most of that showers and thunderstorms associated with front should be moving off to the east, but much cooler air comes in behind it. And you can see by later day that low pressure system moving north of Minnesota heading towards Lake Superior. The cold front will be moving off to the east. And if we look at the low-level wind conditions right now, you can clearly see where the cold front is across central Wisconsin. Southerly winds out ahead of it. West-northwest winds collide right at the front. And again, that's what's touching off the showers and thunderstorms across that area. And by Tuesday, we'll skip ahead a couple of days. You can see our upper low just very slowly moving off to the east-northeast. And again, with cold air aloft and any kind of sunshine that gives us any kind of surface heating, will create a lot of instability, and we'll have those pop-up showers across the Great Lakes here over the next 3 or 4 days, possibly right into Wednesday. And then I think we start to warm and dry things up a bit. As far as precipitation from the WPC, you can see not a lot of precipitation expected across much of lower Michigan. A little heavier as you get towards northwest lower Michigan up into the UP, where there could be around 3/4 of an inch to an inch in that area. But overall, again, about anywhere from a tenth of an inch to about a third of an inch likely across much of the MAC area. And if we look at the soil moisture, and you can see the response like the rain we had earlier this week on Wednesday, how rapidly the 2-inch level wettens up. And of course, it is more quickly in recovering. And if we look at the 8-inch level, we can slide that down. I guess we get it down far enough. You can see how quickly the response is. And then it's much slower to dry back out. And this is a good example of that on the Breckenridge the last 30 days. You can see in the blue where we've gotten the rainfall, how quickly in green the 2-inch level responds, and then how quickly it tries to dry out, and vice versa. We get another rain, and it quickly wettens up and quickly starts to dry out again, where you can see the 8-inch level. And that's important. That's what helps keep our soil moisture there intact for the vegetation to use. You can see how much slower it dries things out, retaining that moisture in the atmosphere. Thanks for stopping by on this Sunday. Have a great day, and 73s to all.